Today's video is about my favorite upcoming Jordans. I did one of them, I think, at the start of the year. We're kind of a quarter of the way through, I think. Yes, people, how are we doing? Darren here, as always, trying to bring you another video. It's Darren here, by the way, Darren Bent. Listen, I'm loving, again, I always say I'm loving the engagement at the minute. I mean, a lot of people are now starting to watch the channel. As I said, without you guys, the channel doesn't grow. I'm going to get you to smash that like button on this video, because that's how we get in that algorithm. We don't know how to crack it. We're all trying to figure it out. The channel is still progressing really, really nicely. As I said, the interaction's been fantastic. And yeah, I'm here with another video. Today's video is about my favorite upcoming Jordans. I did one of them, I think, at the start of the year. We're kind of a quarter of the way through, I think. But yeah, this video here I'm going to be talking about today is some of the upcoming releases. Some of them have got dates in them. Some of them have, we're not quite sure when they're going to release, but I wanted to share with you guys as to what my favorite are coming out. I need you guys to interact and let me know in the comments what you think. Yeah, so the first sneaker I'm looking forward to coming out is the Air Jordan 1 OG Black Toe. Now, there's not too much details on this shoe. Listen, we know how much I'm hyped over an Air Jordan 1 silhouette, even a low. I know there was a kind of people don't really like the Jordan 1 and they don't really like the lows. Of course, Travis Scott's a different story. Whenever that shoe drops, as we saw on the 26th of April, it's absolutely bonkers. But I really like a Jordan 1 low, certainly in this colorway, the OG Black Toe. And again, you start looking at some of the detail. I mean, obviously, it swapped the popular bread toe with the black toe, which I quite like. Obviously, its base is white, smooth leather, preparing the way for the more dramatic overlays, which again is a little detail that I like. The toe cap, the mud guard, and the eye stay panels are all contrasting pitch black, which gives it that really, really nice effect. That creates the black toe. I mean, it's got panda as well. It says it's got a few panda details. It's got the panda look. You know me and pandas. I've told you millions of times on this channel that I'm not a big panda man. Although the Air Jordan 1 panda ones were nice, the highs, I'm not really a big fan of those. Obviously, the laces are mesh sock liner and signature profile swooshes on both sides, and the shoes follow suit as well. So it's a really, really nice looking shoe. Now, there's no official release date. It just says to be confirmed. So I am obviously staying tuned to that, because that is definitely a shoe that I will be picking up. They're rumored to be about £100 retail. Now, I don't really believe that. That to me seems a bit cheap, but that's what the rumor is at the minute. It says the rumor is going to be about £100, so that's a slight bargain. So yeah, so that first one's definitely one that I'll be looking for, the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Black Toe. So the next shoe I'm looking forward to is another Jordan 1. Obviously, it's the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Unk Toe. Now, we know since 2015, Jordan have always paid homage to obviously the Royal Airness. That's what they call him, Michael Jordan, the Airness. Obviously, his Carolina Blue roots. And this shoe's, we've got no exception. Really, really nice shoe. Again, it's a high Jordan 1. I love a Jordan 1. I love the blue, the Unk blue, that kind of baby blue color with the black, with the white, the black swoosh making it absolutely pop. And again, it's saying the release date on this shoe potentially is July the 8th. Now, I'm not quite sure. I'm having a look now at one or two of the details, and that's when it's saying it is set to drop. Whether that's set in stone yet, I don't know, but that's when it's telling me it's going to drop. July the 8th, it's due to drop. Now, again, you know Jordan 1 is my favorite silhouette, and even when you start looking through some of the little details here, it says borrowing the exact color, blocking as an obsidian. Now, that was an absolute banger of a pack, came out in 2019. The lattice cream colored base layer is instead rendered in a crisp white outfit, encasing the midfoot panel and midsole. I mean, it's all a lot of information, but listen, I'd rather show the shoe once I get it. But this is another shoe, the Jordan 1, again, that I absolutely love. I think personally that the Jordan 1 silhouette isn't dying. I know 4 is supposed to be taken over, but when I wore a pair of 4s the other day, and I forgot how uncomfortable they can be, so I'm sticking with the 1s all day, every day. But yeah, this is definitely another shoe that I can't wait to drop, and that's the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Unk Toe. So shoe number 3 that I'm looking forward to is the Air Jordan 4 Thunder, set to release on Saturday the 30th of May. Now, the Thunder, we know it first released in 2006 and then 2012. So we've not seen this particular colorway for over 10 years. And I know it was very, very popular back then. And I'm guessing it's going to be the same now. Sneakerheads just have to have this shoe. Again, last season, obviously that's the football coming out in me. Obviously last year we saw the Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder. That was released and that was really, really popular. But I mean, it's again, this shoe, it's massive. Obviously, the nubuck on the lightning will be nice. The yellow mesh that underlines the netting on the sidewalls and the tongue. The Flight logo is sewn into the tongue as well. While on the rear, the white embossed, is that you say it? Embossed? We'll say embossed. Jumpman stays true to its original 06 branding Another important detail which closely follows the original 06 version, and the shape of the bottom of the yellow support wings with small triangular side attachments that were not included on the 12 edition. I mean, again, it's a really nice shoe. People will be pouring into the shops to get them. I'm sure you can get them from your normal places like Year Ends, and maybe Foot Patrol might get them. Obviously, the Sneakers app, which we know is a myth. So yes, again, it's going to be another shoe I'm really looking forward to. I'm hoping you guys will get it. And yeah, that shoe number 3 is the Air Jordan 4 Thunder. Shoe number 4 that I'm looking forward to releasing is the Air Jordan 6 Toro Bravo. Now listen, you've heard my thoughts on a 6. I'm not a big 6 man in the slightest. There was a cool grey that released not that long ago, I think a couple of months ago, and they're still sitting on shelves. And the amount of times I've had them in the basket, taken them out of the basket, because me and Jordan 6s just don't get on. Listen, there's been some nice Jordan 6s that I have really, really liked. But on the whole, I'm not really a big 6 kind of guy. So these I am looking forward to, though, the Toro Bravos. Now, we know that obviously that Toro Bravo kind of theme, it started back in 2009. Has been popular. If you can remember the Raging Bull pack, that was massive. I mean, I did have those, but they were in I had the Raging Bull pack in the Jordan 5s, which I really liked. I didn't get them in the 6. But yeah, I'm looking forward to these. I like that the kind of deep red that it's got as well. It keeps the colorway bold and simple. Every mock-ups of this pair show the Toro Bravo Air Jordan 6 is set to arrive outfitted in red, rich suede, which is going to be really, really nice. Obviously, while the black accents dress the tongue, heel tab, liner, and midsole, it's also expected that an icy translucent outsole will bring the colorway to a close. So it is a really, really nice shoe. The reason why, particularly with 6s, I'm a bit fiddly with them is because I like a shoe. I'm lazy. I've told you that. I want to get my foot in the shoe. Away I go. Not have to keep undoing it, doing it. It's a bit of a ball ache, and I've had a foot operation, as you guys know. So it's long. I can't be really dealing with it, but I probably will get a pair of these when they're released. And I told you they release on the 24th of May, which I think is a Wednesday. Strange day for a release, but that's what they claim to be releasing, the 24th of May. 24th of May. So I probably will pick up a pair, so I can encourage you guys to pick it, even if you don't wear it, just to have them, because I think having a nice Toro Bravo Jordan shoe, whether it be a 6 or an old Raging Bull pair, which was the 5s, I think you'll really like it. So I'm going to pick up a pair of these, and that's the 4th shoe I'm looking forward to releasing very, very soon. And the 5th shoe I'm looking forward to releasing, listen, you guys know me. You know how much I love an elephant print or a cement print. Yeah, so it's an Air Jordan 1, which again is my shoe. Low OG black cement. Now, so I've heard some people call it black cement, some people call it elephant. But again, it's a low, and I love it. I loved when the highs came out. I think they came out in February, potentially, off the top of my head, and I absolutely loved it. And to be fair, that video on my channel popped. People obviously enjoyed the content. They weren't sure about it, but they looked at it on my channel, saw it on my feet, and said, yeah, they need to get them. And I think these lows will be even more popular than the highs, because it's a summer shoe, it's a low, it's a Jordan. I love it. And I love the black cement. I can't get enough cement print on a shoe. I think it's really, really special. Now, I know these shoes were rumoured to come out in 2022, and they didn't drop, so they've obviously held off. I'm still waiting for an official release date on these, and it's not quite saying, it's just saying to be confirmed. Oh no, it's actually, I've just seen it on, it's just come up there, just recently got the news, ding, make sure you put that on the H. June 23rd, it's set to come out, £120. It's saying it's going to release for, so again, really good, nice shoe. Lots of print all over the shoe. It's a low. Tech grey panels cover the ground across the toe and the heel. Swoosh logos in the sides, keep things simple in white. Further interrupting the upper's black and grey scheme. It's a really good shoe, really nice shoe. It's got that black cement or elephant print. It's a summer shoe, it's a summer vibe, it's easy to wear. And yeah, that's definitely got to be in my top 5 releases. So guys, you let me know what you think about the upcoming ones that are coming out. These are my personal favourites in the near future. If there's any that I've missed out and you believe that you're looking forward to, let me know. I will be doing a video, I think, at some stage, dedicating a lot of shoes to New Balance, because I'm going to be working closely with them guys as well. So I want you guys to see some of the silhouettes that they're bringing out very, very soon. So that'll be quite good. Also as well, we've got some exciting projects coming up as well. Going to be working with StockX, which I'm really excited about. So I'll be giving you guys information on that. I'll be putting codes under certain shoes. So you guys can go onto my page, click on that link, and it'll take you straight to the shoe to buy. If you like it, you want to purchase it. Whatnot, I've got a something quite special coming up with Whatnot, which is a live auction platform as well. So stay tuned for that, because I'm going to be giving away some shoes for free, which means you don't pay, but I'm going to be giving away some bangers where you will pay, but it'll be under retail. So I might start the bidding at £2, things like that. So we're going to be doing some crazy stuff on some certain sneakers. So make sure you stay tuned for information on my upcoming videos. But for this video, you guys leave your comments underneath. Let me know what you think about the upcoming releases. Do you like them? Do you not? And any that I've missed out, any that you're personally looking forward to, let me know. Hit the comments underneath. Let's keep that interaction going. Let's keep growing together. Most importantly, stay safe. Enjoy your day. Peace.